In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track attendance in Monday.com step by step. Whether you're managing employee attendance, tracking student participation, or monitoring daily check-ins for your team, Monday.com makes it incredibly simple to build a powerful attendance system in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional attendance tracking board that you can customize for your exact needs. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity guides. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, we're going to create a brand new board specifically for attendance tracking. Click on the plus add button, then select New Board. Give your board a clear name, something like attendance tracking, so it's easy to find later. Choose Start from Scratch so we can fully customize it ourselves. Then click Create Board. Now that your board is ready, the next step is to add the right columns to track attendance properly. By default, Monday.com gives you a name column, but we'll need more than that. Go to the far right of your columns and click the plus icon to add a new column. First, add a People column. This will allow you to assign or select the employee, student, or team member whose attendance you're tracking. Next, add a Date column. This is where you'll record the specific attendance day. After that, add a Status column. Once added, rename it to something like Present, Absent, Late. You can customize the labels inside the status column to match your needs, for example adding remote, half day, or on leave. If you want to track hours worked, add a time tracking column. This is optional but very useful if you need to calculate total working hours. You can also add a drop-down column for absence reasons, such as sick, vacation, personal leave, or training. These columns give you a complete attendance tracking system that is both organized and flexible. Now, let's start adding attendance records. Click on Add Item to create a new row. In the item name column, you can label the entry something simple like daily attendance, or even use the person's name, depending on how you prefer to organize your board. In the People column, select the correct team member or student. Then click in the Date column and choose the appropriate date. Next, update the Status column to mark them as present, absent, or late. If you're using the Time tracking column, you can start and stop the timer or manually enter the number of hours worked. And if you added a drop-down column, select the appropriate reason if the person was absent or late. Repeat this process for each attendance entry. You can create one row per person per day, or structure it in a way that best fits your workflow. Once you start adding data, Monday.com becomes very powerful when it comes to visualizing attendance. Click on Add View at the top of your board. From here, you can choose different view types. The Calendar view is excellent for seeing attendance laid out by date, which makes it easy to spot patterns or gaps. The Chart view allows you to create visual reports, such as comparing present versus absent days over time. You can even build a dashboard and add widgets that pull data from your attendance board, giving you high-level analytics and summaries that update automatically. This is especially useful for managers, HR teams, or school administrators who need quick insights. Finally, the key to effective attendance tracking is consistency. Make sure you update the board daily. You can manually add new attendance entries each day, or you can create a form view and allow team members to check in themselves. Another powerful option is using Monday.com automations to automatically generate new rows on specific dates or send reminders to fill out attendance. Automations save time and reduce the risk of missing records. And that's it. You now know how to track attendance in Monday.com from scratch, customize the right columns, record daily entries, and visualize your data with powerful views and dashboards. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.